Hi students, in this video I am going to discuss with you the periodicity of elements previous JEE mains questions. Okay, among them the first one, the size of isoelectronic species Cl minus argon and calcium 2 plus is affected by. Okay, see there, in case of isoelectronic, what are the species they have given? Cl minus, argon and calcium 2 plus. See the number of protons that are present in each and every species. Cl minus is having 17 protons because chlorine atomic number is 17. Argon atomic number is 18, it has 18 protons. Calcium atomic number is 20, it has 20 protons. Okay, so in these three, calcium is having more the number of protons, that is the greater the nuclear charge. If the greater the nuclear charge, it attracts the outermost electrons more close towards itself. That's why cations are having low ionic size compared to their neutral atoms or maybe in isoelectronic species. So that's why the isoelectronic species are affected by nuclear charge. Okay, so that is the first one. Next, the second one is the IUPAC symbol for an element with an atomic number 119 would be. See there. So in IUPAC system, how to write the names of the compounds or atoms greater than atomic number with 100 is 0 case we have to write down nil. 1 case un, un, 2 by 3 tri, 4 quad, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 sept, 8 oct, 9 n. So here they have given 119. 1 is un, another 1 is un, 9 is n. So un, n, ium is the atom name. But symbol case, the starting u, and e. So e is the symbol for an atom. Okay. Next, the third question, the element with that both two questions have been given in 2019. The element with the greatest difference between its first and second ionization energy. It is very important one. If you see the difference between the first and second ionization energies, which one has the greatest difference in the first and second is group 1A elements. Why the group 1A elements are having greatest difference? See for example potassium 19. So 3s2, 3p6 and 4s1. Okay, it is the potassium electronic configuration. So first ionization energy means removal of this electron. Then it becomes K+. It is very easy. The reason is if it removes or loses one electron, it gets the octet configuration or noble gas configuration. That's why it is ready to lose the electron. That's why first A group elements are having very less first ionization energies. That is the reason why they are having very less first ionization energy means they are ready to lose the electron. If they lose one electron, they get octet configuration or noble gas configuration. That's why they are ready to lose the electron. That's why first ionization energy is very, very less. But next, after the loss of one electron, it becomes 3s2, 3p6. That means they have now noble gas configuration or inert gas configuration. Removal from this requires very high energy. That is, the second ionization energy is very high. First ionization energy is very low. That's why the greatest difference is exist between first to second ionization energy having elements is first A group elements. See, calcium is second, scandium is D block, barium is second group elements, potassium is first group element. So that's why potassium is the answer. Same question. So the element is having greatest difference first and second. Here which one is the first group element? Potassium. Same, but 2019 case, so they have given in the online examination, so one shift and another shift they will give the questions like that. That's why that was repeated in the same 2019. Another question is the group number of valence electrons and valency of an element. So what they are asking here for atomic number 15 respectively. First one is atomic number 15. So what is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. It is the atomic number. What they are asking? Group number. How to find out the group number? You have to select the valence shell. How many electrons that are present in the valence shell? So 2 plus 3, that is 5 electrons. So the number of electrons present in the valence shell is equal to its group number. That is 5th A group. 5th A group, but they didn't mention that means 5th A group is also is nothing but 15th group. So 50th group number is also called 15th group. So that's why its group number is 15. So we can skip these two. Okay, because 16, first number is group number. Next is number of valence electrons. How many valence electrons are there? 5 electrons there, 2 plus 3. So the number of valence electrons is 5. So group number is 15 and number of valence electrons is 5. And then, so here, now we can skip the answer. So first one is group number, second one is number of valence electrons, and the third one is valency of an element. Valency is nothing but 8 minus its group number, 8 minus 5. So that is 3. Okay, so the total is 15, 5 and 3. So this is also given in 2019 question. Next question. In comparison to boron and beryllium. So beryllium and boron, they have compared. So see that which one has compared. Nuclear charge and ionization energies are compared. So, okay, what is the atomic number for boron? For first beryllium. Beryllium is 4. Boron is 5. So, nuclear charge means nothing but number of protons. How many protons are there in beryllium? 4. Boron has 5 protons. Next, ionization energy case, first ionization energy. Beryllium has a greater first ionization energy than boron because beryllium configuration 1s2, 2s2. Boron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So it has completely filled s orbital configuration. That's why beryllium has greater ionization energy than boron. So that's why it has a nuclear charge case. Which one has greater nuclear charge? Boron has greater nuclear charge. Beryllium has first ionization energy. So see here, lesser nuclear charge and lesser first ionization energy compared to boron. Beryllium has lesser nuclear charge. Yes, correct. But ionization energy is greater. So greater nuclear charge is wrong. Greater nuclear charge is wrong. Lesser nuclear charge and greater first ionization energy. So nuclear charge is 4, less than boron. But ionization energy is greater because of completely filled s orbital. So this is the answer. Next one. So in general, the properties that decrease and increase down a group in the periodic table. That means the properties which decrease and increase down a group. 2 properties they have given. So that means in a group, down to the group, which property is decreases and which property is increases. So first property and second property. So they have given what are the properties they have mentioned here. First one is electronegativity. Second one is atomic radius. Third one is electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. Yeah, same. These 3 properties they have mentioned. Electronegativity, how it changes in a group. Only they are asking in a group. Okay. So electronegativity is in a period element from left to right increases. From group, from top to bottom electronegativity decreases. Atomic radius from top to bottom increases. Electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. Electron affinity is small atoms are having more electron affinity, big atoms have less electron affinity. That means it is also decreases. Okay, now, so the properties that decreases and increases. First one has to decrease. Electronegativity, yes, decreases. Atomic radius, yes, increases. Okay, so this is the answer. Because they are asking the property which decreases down the group. First property decreases and second property has to increase. So electronegativity, yes, decreases. Atomic radius increases. See the next option. Electronegativity, yes, decreases. Electron gain enthalpy also decreases. So it's wrong. Third one, electron gain enthalpy decreases. But electronegativity decreases. Both decreases. Atomic radius increases first and then second one is decreases. First one decrease and second one increase. They are asking. Very simple question.